Welcome to One Talk English. If you want to speak English fluently but don't know where to start, this episode is for you.
Today, we'll share a simple 30-day daily routine method. No difficult grammar, just habits that really work.
Most learners study English for years but still feel nervous speaking.
That's because they focus too much on rules and not enough on real conversation.
Fluency doesn't come from books. It comes from daily use.
Every day, listen to English for at least 20 minutes.
Podcasts, YouTube videos, or daily conversations are perfect.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain is learning naturally.
Now comes the most important part, speaking.
Speak English for 15 minutes daily.
Talk to yourself. Speak in front of a mirror.
Say simple things like, "Today I went to work. I'm learning English." Broken English is okay. Don't learn difficult words first.
Learn sentences you use in real life.
For example, "How was your day?" "I'm getting ready for work. I have an interview tomorrow."
Choose one short English video every day.
Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat it loudly.
Copy the accent, speed, and confidence.
Start thinking in English during daily activities.
When walking, say, "I'm going to the market. I need to buy food."
Just 45 minutes a day is enough.
30 days of daily practice can change everything.
If you want to speak English fluently, start today. One big mistake learners make is translating from their language into English.
Instead, learn full English sentences.
Think like this: "I'm hungry." Not word by word, just the sentence.
Use English in small, real-life moments.
Send simple English messages. Write short comments. Speak whenever you get the chance. Record your voice once a day.
Listen to it and notice your improvement.
Say lines like, "Today I practiced English. I'm getting better."
Don't try to be perfect.
Try to be consistent.
10 minutes every day is better than 0.
If you follow this routine for 30 days, you will feel the difference.
You won't just understand English, you'll start speaking it naturally.
Subscribe to One Talk English.
Practice with us every day.
Your English journey starts today.